Website app presentation by Katie Bunch. My name is Katie Bunch. My major is elementary education, and my ideal teaching situation would be in the 3rd or 4th grade classroom. I am from Northern Kentucky. I graduated from Dixie Heights High School. For the website portion of this project, I used FunBrain. FunBrain has exercises for grades K through 8. The sections on the site include games, reading, videos, playground, and math zone. When you click on a grade level, games and reading show up that are specifically appropriate for that grade level. Math zone includes all math activities for specific grade levels. The reading sections include full-size books, chapter or picture for students to read. There is a section that has the top 10 brain games for students. And in the top right-hand corner, there is a picture of what the website looks like. Use of tech. FunBrain is a site that students can use at home to enhance their learning of reading and math. For students performing at grade level, they can choose which grade level they are at and practice content within the site. For exceptional students, they can easily choose which grade level they strive at and play games and further their knowledge through the site. For gifted students, the site can help them progress their knowledge and they can continue to work on activities rather than waiting on the whole class to progress. For students with a background in ELL, the site should be modified to have an option for the books to be read aloud to students. The site should also provide translation options for these students. Here's what a picture looks like when a student is reading a book from FunBrain. For the app portion of this project, I used Edmodo. In the right-hand corner, there is a picture of what Edmodo looks like in the App Store. Edmodo is an educational technology tool that offers collaboration and communications to K-12 schools and teachers. The Edmodo app enables teachers to share content, distribute quizzes, assignments, and manage communications with students, colleagues, and parents. Students can upload answers to assignments on the app. The app eliminates the use of paper in the classroom. Edmodo teaches students responsibility by having due dates on their assignments at a young age. Use of tech. Using Edmodo, students can upload assignments by the due date at their homes. For students performing at grade level, this app will have them the opportunity to maintain responsibility of turning in assignments on time. For exceptional students, the teacher can assign things that the student is comfortable with and extend due dates if necessary. For gifted students, the teacher can assign multiple assignments or activities for the students to complete or practice with. For students with a background in ELL, the site can be modified by the teacher, but I believe there should be a better accommodation to fit the needs of all ELL students. There is also a feature on the app that allows the teachers to communicate with the parents of students to ensure all students are on the right track. Here's a picture of what Edmodo looks like from a teacher's perspective, and I found this on Google Images. And that is all for my website app presentation.